Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess and I do a lot of fashion, lifestyle, and beauty videos. So today's video will be a beauty video and we're going to be recreating this spring inspired, rosy, kind of mandarin, orangey inspired spring look. I will determine a name for this look for the title, but this is what I have right now. I'm going to be using a face full of Burt's Bees product. If you are new to the brand, I've actually worked with them for quite a bit because I absolutely love their skincare and their makeup. They are a brand that focuses on responsible sourcing and getting ingredients from nature. They actually don't do any animal testing as well, which I find super important when you're like discovering new beauty brands. And also their products feature recyclable packaging. So if you are looking to go greener and cleaner with your beauty products this year, Burt's Bees is definitely a brand to check out. So let's get started to see how I got this look. Super easy, by the way. So for all you makeup beginners out there, this should be good. So we are going to start off with a clean face. So I use a bunch of their products from their Truly Glowing line that I actually shared in some of my vlogs before. So if you want to look back, you can do that, or I'll link them in the description box as well. So clean face, moisturized, ready to go. So we are going to start off with this primer that I'm actually quite obsessed with. So this is their Goodness Glows primer, and it actually is made with avocado oil. So it's super hydrating as well. It just got this beautiful, like almost like pearlescent sheen glowiness to it. Don't know if you guys can see that. But essentially, I am not gonna put it everywhere because it does have this glow. I'm gonna like layer it on my cheekbones. Basically the places that I want to be a little bit extra glowy. So it's like layering underneath the product, and it will give a super glowy base, and also obviously leaving it hydrated. All right, so I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully on camera you can kind of see how glowy it is right here. So this is a new product that I'm actually using for a lot of things. I use it for my eyebrows and for like hydrating my lips and even cheeks. This is the Miracle Balm. It contains like the plant-derived squalene, which if you haven't heard about it, is like a super hydrating ingredient that you can find in a lot of beauty products, but this one especially is in like a beautiful balm. So I'm just gonna put some on my lips right now because my lips are just always dry and could use extra hydration. And then also you can put some on like your cheeks too to like add to the highlight, but also for some extra moisture because we are going to be putting blush and highlight on the cheeks. So you just want to make sure that everything is as smooth as possible and you have like a good canvas to work with. All right, so two of their new products that I really love are their Color Nurture Cream Blush and their eyeshadow. So I'm actually gonna be using both of these on my eyelids. Like the blush can be used for the eyes too, so we're going to mix them up. So we're gonna start off with the Strawberry Cream color. So the thing I love about both the Color Nurture Cream Blush and the Cream Eyeshadow is that there's actually vitamin E and berry fruit wax in it, so it's super hydrating. So if you've been following me for a while, you know how sensitive my skin around my eyes are and like how dry they get. So I'm really happy that Burt's Bees has come out with this like super nourishing eyeshadow that I feel comfortable putting on my eyelids because I didn't put like anything on my eyes for so long. So this color is also super buildable. So I just start off with like a little bit, and I'm gonna use this as the base and then highlight with the cream eyeshadow that has a little bit more shimmer to it. Then we're gonna use the Color Nurture Cream Eyeshadow in Rose Cream that has like this metallic rosy color to accent the pink that's already on my eyes. I'm gonna put it just in the center, kind of blend outwards with the other fingers that don't have eyeshadow all over it. Just a little touch. I love this formula so much because it's so easy to use. Like you can literally do the whole face with your fingers if you want. And I'm gonna bring in one of my older faves, which is the Defining eyeliner in Brown Quartz. So just added a little bit to the lash line and winged it up just for extra definition and like volume near my lash line because I don't have a lot of lashes. And then I'm gonna use the Color Nurture cream blush in the Guava Meringue, which is a little bit of a softer pink for the blush. And you can really still see the glow of the primer coming through. Little dab on my nose. I love that like blushed all over look for spring. Make sure it's all blended in. Plays off the darker pink in my eyes really nicely, I think. So when it gets warmer out, I like to make sure to finish off like any like face cream products with powder just to make sure it sets. So this is a Burt's Bees powder blush and it has some bamboo in it for extra skin nourishment and it's in the color Bare Peach. I really like this color because it can also be almost like a little bit of bronzer because of that peachy, earthy tone that's in it. And it plays with the Guava Meringue really nicely. It just basically helps set the cream blush. So because you do have the cream blush underneath, you want to make sure to be really delicate with the blending so you don't disrupt anything. Just like kind of a light hat with the blush on top. You don't need too much because you already got a little bit of the color. It just enhances it, I think, and gives you like more depth. So before I do my lips, we're gonna put on some mascara because you guys know I don't really have long lashes. So this is the Burt's Bees Volumizing Mascara. I actually have it in the navy color because I find that it looks basically black, but it really brings out like the browns in my eyes because I have like dark brown eyes. I feel like it kind of elevates it. And last but definitely not least is one of my new favorite products from Burt's Bees. It's the Squeezy Tinted Balm, and this one is the Mandarin Granita color. It's like this really like deep orangey red, which I feel like would be really pretty for spring. They also have a peach one that I love, but I feel like I do a lot of nude lips, so we're gonna try something different today. And then they have one that is, it's watermelon flavor. So the 4 shades that they have like corresponding flavors too. And it literally smells and tastes if you want to have a taste of your lip balm, which sometimes I do. It literally just smells like, I don't know, like the peach one smells like fuzzy peaches. So the reason why I love these Squeezy Tinted Balm so much is because obviously it has like a little tint of color, but it's super nourishing for the lips too, which like even in spring and summer, my lips get chapped. So this one has conditioning beeswax as well as cocoa butter, and it just goes on literally like butter. Like it literally just melts onto your lips. And then like it just like soaks in. It just literally feels like you're putting like a mask on your lips, but it's like a daytime mask because it looks good and you can wear it out and about. This is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below. I will be linking all the products I use as well as the color shade I chose for those in the description box. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you so soon.